This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the kit content so nothing surprises you mid-job. That saves time. Next, measure the backset, 2-3/8 or 2-3/4, and mark the center line at roughly 36 from the floor for standard doors. Once marked, remove existing hardware and align the Ryobi template, clamping it firmly to prevent wobble. Then drill a small pilot, followed by the 2-1/8 hole for the cylinder. This sequence guarantees accurate alignment and avoids binding. Once the main bore is done, chisel a neat 1/2 deep mortise for the faceplate so it sits flush. Make small cuts and test fit often. Then insert the latch and secure it with the supplied screws, confirming the bolt moves freely when you turn the thumb turn or key. After that, assemble the exterior cylinder and the interior thumb turn, feed the tailpiece through the latch, and align the parts so the mounting screws thread cleanly. This prevents misalignment and jamming later. Finish by tightening the mounting screws evenly, alternating sides so the assembly seats squarely. Do not over-tighten, because that can bind the mechanism. Next, install the strike plate on the jamb and test the deadbolt with the door closed. Verify full extension and smooth operation. If the bolt binds or stops short, adjust the strike plate by 1/16 inch or remove a sliver from the latch face with a file. This small correction usually solves alignment problems without reboring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.